Did you know you can heal your thyroid with coconut oil? Just do this. Many people nowadays suffer from various health problems. The signs they experience include weight gain, fatigue, constipation, brittle nails, headaches, cold hands and feet, loss of libido, ringing in the ears, hair loss, dizziness, hoarse voice, joint aches, dry skin, frequent infections, sensitivity to cold, and insomnia. Even 65% of the Americans are overweight and 27% are obese. According to numerous studies, an underactive thyroid can be the underlying cause of weight problems, and that's especially the case in women. Coconut oil is very good in this case. It's full of very stable and saturated fat, which makes our body not become burdened with oxidative stress. When it's compared to vegetable oils, it does not require the enzyme stress and is preventing T4 to T3 hormone conversion. Coconut oil is processed in our body differently. It does not need to be broken down with the help of enzyme-dependent processes. The liver is the place where damage from rancid and oxidized oils and the conversion of T4 to T3 happens. At the same time, it's eliminating long-chain fats from the diet and replacing them with medium-chain fats found in coconut oil. At this point, it may help rebuild cell membranes and increase the production of enzyme. Numerous studies need to be done, but according to one research including Donna and Sharon, they have experienced significant improvements in their thyroid health. Donna says, "I've started using coconut oil since September 2002. And even though you may think that this is not a long time, I have to say that it completely changed my life and the lives of my family and friends. When I started on coconut oil, my weight actually went up, but I felt so great. As a hypothyroid, I was on Cytomel and Synthroid for many years, but I was feeling worse. Besides using the coconut oil, I removed the soy, all trans fatty acids, and the refined sugar. I stopped using the thyroid meds since my energy levels were increased and I was having trouble sleeping. My only goal was to be healthy, and I believed the proper diet and exercise routine will help to eliminate the weight. Also, I've tried to remove the coconut oil, but my energy levels reduced and I do not feel that good." Sharon says, "Since having children, I have faced the same problem with weight gain and sluggish metabolism. Even a no-calorie diet for 5 days did not manage to help. When I started using virgin coconut oil, the fat was eliminated and I have lost 20 pounds. During the same period, my 13-year-old daughter, who was very chubby and couldn't bring up the self-control to eliminate some of her favorite fatty foods, managed to lose 10 pounds. Now, she has the perfect figure and some pants she was wearing a year ago hang loose on her. Here's how to nourish your thyroid. Consume cranberries and radishes regularly. Consume iodine-rich foods like kombu, kelp powder, black seaweed, and smaller cold water fish. Make sure to consume healthy oils like extra virgin olive oil, butter, and coconut oil. Take zinc, vitamin E, vitamin C, B vitamins, and selenium supplements. Exercise regularly. Limit exposure to fluoride and mercury. Prepare your own salad dressings instead of consuming the commercial ones. The ones you buy at the stores are full of unhealthy fats. A quick note from our founder. Over the past year, my friend Dave at Paleo Hacks has been working on a secret cookbook with world-renowned low cordon bleu chef Peter Servold. Well, today this new incredible paleo cookbook is finally available to be shipped right to your door for free. That's right, as a special launch promotion, we're offering our brand new paleo fat loss cookbook to you for free. Chef Pete lost 60 pounds using these recipes. All you have to do is just cover a small shipping cost. International shipping is a bit more. Get your free copy of Paleo Eats here. Grab this today, because we only ordered a small batch of these cookbooks for this freebie promotion, and they will sell out fast. If you enjoyed this article or learned something new, please don't forget to share it with others so they have a chance to enjoy this free information. This article is open source and free to reblog or use if you give a direct link back to the original article URL. Thanks for taking the time to support an open source initiative. We believe all information should be free and available to everyone. Have a good day and we hope to see you soon.